Here. If you want to go other side and your knee want to run forward one knee. So clear these 2 points. Last 10. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Twist other side slowly. And other side. Same way other side. Control your hip. This how you are twisting. Opposite to that with your hip. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just drop your arms. And how much is forward flexibility? That much you straight your legs. Straight your legs. How much your body allows you. Either you can move the hands forward or you can press your palm down, bending your elbows. Your hip is not falling down. Take your hip to the sky. Pull the thighs upward. Try to straight your knees, not from the knees. You straight your knees from your back of the thighs and pressing the heels down. Your heels should be in one line. Your hips should not go back or forward. You just try to find out the proper balance. Breathe in and breathe out. Now from here, take your right leg back and down the right knee on the floor. Bring both the hands up. Let your hip go down. Good smile on your face and strengthen your body with your good strong thoughts in your mind. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down your hands on the ground. Bring your hand below the leg, left hand below the leg, and then take your head below the leg. If not, just down your head on the ground. Very good. Last 5, 4, that is down in head. So 3, and closer to 2, and 1. Come back from here. Bring the opposite arm up, inhale, exhaling, twist. If you want more challenge, you can straight the back leg as easy. Last 5. Good. If you find difficult, keep your knee on the floor. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down your hands on the floor. Take your both the legs back. Belly tight. Buttocks tight. Force your hands down. Lift the chest up. Elongate the crown of the head up. Your body is not loose anywhere. Don't hang down and don't take your head up. Tailbone tucked in. Breathe in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from From here, turn on your right arm and look up. If you cannot turn, bring upper leg in front of you. It will be easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down your knees, chest and chin on the floor. Inhale, exhale. There. Stay there. Stay there. It's like relaxing pose. Just you said Stanga Namaskar. Drop your ego fully. Be a natural, simple person. Everything is coming from the universe.